What's up, fellow greasy people? I'm Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. I've been watching moto content today, and it's what I do on Sunday afternoons. And if you think I can watch all that stuff and not come out and wrench and or ride, you're nuts, like me. So I got a part in the mail, the lowly oil filter. I'm going to put it in now, and the reason I'm doing it on video is I want to remember I did it, because as sure as I pour oil in here, if I don't do it now, one of two things is going to happen. I will question myself, did I put that in? And then I will have to take it loose and check, at which point the oil will go everywhere. And the other thing that'll happen is I'll not put it in, and the end result will be the same. I will have oil everywhere. So I'm going to roll this dude over, and we're going to put a new oil filter in. Don't mind the noise. It's fixing a storm. It's not going to be very nice here the next few hours. So if that's what you hear, it's the pitter patter on the metal roof. Let's get to it. Gently. Gently. I think that'll stay. Evidently there was still a tiny bit of oil in there because I got drips. Well, yep, that's the thing. All right. It did send me a new O-ring. Actually, there were two O-rings. That looks like it'll probably fit. This O-ring, I don't know where it goes. I'm gonna have to do some searching. I found it. Well, that's unfortunate, but anyhow, there it is. Now I have to go find my spring. This is really similar to the KZ400 oil filter setup. I'm going to try to be gentle just in case. The new ring is, ouch, not quite right. Okay, Amazon treated me good on this one. Let's see about this one. Okay, 2 for 2. All right. In the climber, it talked about, oh, okay, taking the bolt out, the cover off, and then it says the spring and washer. I don't have a washer. Make sure. So I'm guessing either there's a washer missing right there, or it never had one. There's a little difference in models, one way or the other, one year or another. I don't want to add thickness necessarily. So yeah, anyhow, should go like this. I wonder if I shouldn't look for a washer. Let's see what I got. And this, my friends, is why I'm a pack rat. I found this washer in my miscellaneous washer pile. And it is not gonna fit. It will almost fit. I don't think that's going to push hard enough to damage it. Let's send it. Now I have to find out how many Newton meters are in a foot pound or something. Survey says 14.5 foot pounds. I'm triple checking that because I have made mistakes before. Got it. I don't know what else I will do tonight, but that much is complete. I gotta watch Lady Moto bang, and then maybe we'll pick back up in a minute. So hey, I decided I was gonna do something just neck down. No brains involved. So I got some carb cleaner and I'm cleaning some parts. Try to get the last of that wrapped up, or the worst of the last of it. The last of the worst of it. Anyhow, so I will pick you up later, probably on another day, probably in another video. I'm gonna scrub a dub while some videos play.